Il y a combien de jours dans une semaine? Means there are how many days in a week? Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Means there are 7 days in a week. So the very first day of the week is Lundi. Lundi. Then comes Mahadi. Mahadi. Then Mercredi. Mercredi. Then Jeudi. Jeudi. Then Vendredi. Vendredi. Then Samedi. Samedi. And then finally it is Dimanche. Dimanche. Répétez les jours de la semaine avec moi. Repeat the days of the week with me. Lundi, Mahadi, Mercredi, Jeudi, Vendredi, Samedi, Dimanche. Now see one thing, there is di at the end of each word, but only in Dimanche it comes in the beginning. Now I will tell you one more exciting fact about these days. The way in Hindi all the days of the week are named after planets or sun or the moon, the same way in French, the days they are named after the planets and sun and the moon. The first one, Lundi, it is taken from moon. We call moon as la lune in French. Next is Mahadi. Mahadi, it is taken from Mars. In Hindi, we call it Mangalwar. Mars is called Mangal in Hindi. The same way, Mahadi, it is taken from Mars. Mercredi, it is Mercury. It is taken from Mercury. Jeudi, it is taken from Jupiter. Vendredi, it is taken from Venus. Samedi, it is taken from Saturn. And Dimanche, it is taken from Sun. In Hindi, we have Ravivar. Ravi is called Sun. So, the same way, in French, the days of the week, they are taken from the planets, planets and the sun and the moon. Exciting, isn't it? One more similarity with Hindi. Now you speak all these days on your own, and after that I'll ask you a few questions. Quel est le premier jour de la semaine? Means what is the first day of the week? Yes, think. Very good. The answer is Lundi. Now next is le weekend comprend les jours dash et dash. Means the weekend includes the days dash and dash. Yes, the answer is Samedi et Dimanche. Next is la quatrième jour de la semaine est, means the fourth day of the week is. Yes, think. Very good. It's Jeudi. Next is Wednesday is called dash in French. It is Mercredi. I know many of you must have written Vendredi. Vendredi and Wednesday. Many students confuse these two words. But it is not Vendredi, it is Mercredi. Here you can see 3 words. Aujourd'hui, hier and demain. Aujourd'hui means today. Hier means yesterday. And demain means tomorrow. So we are going to play a small game now. I'm going to tell you what day is today. Aujourd'hui et quel jour. And you have to tell me the day before that day and a day after that day. So let's start. Suppose the first day is Dimanche. Today is Dimanche. Dimanche, you know, it is Sunday. So think the day before Sunday, it is Saturday. What do we call Saturday in French? It is Samedi. And a day after Sunday, it is Monday. It is called Lundi. Yes. So the day before Sunday is going to be Samedi and the day after Sunday is going to be Lundi. So now the next day is Mercredi. Mercredi. Yes. What is Mercredi? Tell me quickly. Yes. It is Wednesday. The day before Wednesday, before Mercredi, is going to be Mahadi. And the day after Mercredi is going to be Jeudi. Bravo. Jeudi, Mahadi et Jeudi. Now next comes Samedi. Samedi is Saturday. The day before Samedi, yes, And the day after samedi, so it is vendredi et dimanche. I hope the days of the week are now very clear to you.